morning to all of you children.
Morning, ma'am.
Children, we were doing the work of chapter 16 and 17, unique features. Isn't it? Yes or no? We were doing unique features of all the states.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So how much have you done? Till which state have you completed?
Ma'am, till Haryana.
You have completed. What about others? It's just Advika's answer. What about others? Till which state have you done? Yes.
Ma'am, I have done the Punjab. Ma'am, I have done the Punjab.
You have done the state of Punjab. And what about the rest? What about rest of the students?
Ma'am, this is an activity.
Yeah, this is a kind of activity. You are making notes for yourself. Okay? What are you doing? You are preparing notes for yourself, beta. First, we are going to do this activity, and then after finishing this one, we are going to do some craft work on chart papers and all. Now, everybody start doing this work. Is there anybody in the class who doesn't know what is to be done?
Chandigarh not done, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have to do which till. Ma'am, we have done till Haryana. So, how much we have to do?
Beta, you have to do for all the states. You're supposed to do this work for all the states. Is it fine? Other classes, 4th C has completed all the work, and they have started with the craft work now. Your class is going very slow.
Ma'am, we will do also craft work.
Beta, I'm giving this work in all the sections, no? So 4th C has completed this work and it has started making a few collages of the next chapter. Now you also hurry up, pick. Krishav, what are you looking at the camera? Pick up your pencil, open your copy, start doing the work. What are you people waiting for? Finish off this work and then we are going to move on with the next very interesting activity.
Ma'am, what we will do? Ma'am,
Tanmay Singh, were you present in the class yesterday? Tanmay Singh, were you there in the class yesterday?
Yes, ma'am, I was there.
Then beta, we are doing unique features of all the states, no? We are doing unique features. For how many states have you done?
Ma'am, I have done.
For how many states?
Ma'am, I have done two. Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am, I am checking.
You have to do for all the states given in chapter 16 and 17.
Ma'am, I have done 2 states.
Then there are so many states. Start writing. Hurry up, all of you. 4th B will complete this work today in the last period. I will start with some other work also. Your section is going very slow.
Ma'am, which chapter?
Beta, chapter 16 and chapter 17. Krishav, were you there in the class yesterday or not?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I am. Ma'am, I have done the Punjab one also.
Yes, very good. Now start off with the next state. Anyone who doesn't know what is to be done?
Ma'am, Haryana.
Yes, beta, Haryana. Now after Punjab, you have Haryana, then you have Delhi, then you have West Bengal. You have to do it for all the states. After doing this work, you're going to share the picture of how much you have done. You have to show it how much you have done.
Chandigarh. आलू रोटी अलसी की चटनी तीसरी के मसाले
Okay. Beta, you have to write the unique features of all the states that are covered in 16th and 17th chapter. How you're going to do it? Like for the state of Punjab. Let's begin from chapter number 16. From the state of Punjab, you're going to write the heading, like write Punjab, okay? And under it, write down capital Chandigarh. Crops, all the important things that you find are there in the paragraph of Chandigarh. You have to write all those things. Like crops, what all crops are grown there? Rice, wheat, sugarcane, mustard. Then occupation. What occupations do the people of Punjab follow? It's agriculture, poultry farming, dairy farming. Then rivers. What rivers flow through that state? All the rivers, all the 5 rivers, you have to name them. Then important towns or important cities. What are the important cities of Punjab? Amritsar, Ludhiana, Jalandhar. Okay, language spoken. Which language is spoken in that area? In that state, sorry, Punjabi. So this, like this, you have to write down all the unique features belonging to all the states. After you finish writing for Punjab, you have to start for Haryana. Each state has got different features. So you have to write down all the unique features for all the states given. Okay, you are supposed to do this work in your social studies copies. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear to all others also who were not present there in the class yesterday? Children, it's compulsory for all of you to do this work. Other 2 sections have completed both the chapters of this work. You people are going very slow. Please try to finish it off by tomorrow. Okay?
Ma'am, both chapters.
Yes, both the chapters. Tomorrow, do you have a class? Let me check. No, tomorrow you don't have any class with me.
Ma'am, we have.
The last period?
Yes, ma'am.
No, not the last period. Last period I have with 8C. Let me
Ma'am,
see.
we have.
Which period, children?
Ma'am, last.
Ma'am, no, we have no SST class tomorrow.
No, we have the fourth period. Fourth period I
Yes,
have with you,
ma'am.
children. Try to finish it off, finish this work by tomorrow. Okay? Don't be slow now. Next minute, the class will get over. Advika, on which state are you?
Ma'am, on Bihar.
On Bihar. And what about you, Shaurya and Apurva? Shaurya and Apurva.
Ma'am, we are on
Haryana.
End of Haryana.
Okay. And what about you,
Yes.
Ritvik Arora?